Hi, my name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone. www.koffeeone.com.au. Welcome back to our catalogue of videos on the operation of the Carimali multi. Today I'm going to present and demonstrate for you how to make a short black on the multi. Very simple. Place your espresso cup underneath the spout. Select your espresso button. The machine will grind the coffee and pack it and tamper it into the brewing unit, just like your favourite barista tamps and packs into a portafilter in his cafe. You'll see the espresso shot extracts. One perfect extraction. Thank you. My name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone. www.koffeeone.com.au